Hello Google, hello Google Pixel, hello any security things. What we think about it, we can make this one security. So for now, Android is not security. Very too much reason. How can I explain this? So first, look at this. If you want to lock in your phone, he's asking for security, yeah? Easily you can drop down and they give you options to turn off this phone. That settings not allowed to work if you not put your password. Another reason, some people, they steal your phone and you just try calling that, easily you can volume down this phone and nobody gonna hear in this phone anymore. Another not security things, what Google, they should fix it. They should make security update of that, because when I gonna try searching in this phone, no volume control, no, you don't have any sound.